Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you'd like to see me recreate this look on my other eye, keep watching. So my eyeshadow base for this look is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm going to apply a good amount onto my eyelid and blend it out using this dense blending brush. Next, I'm going to take my Lydia Stanley palette and use several shades from it. As usual, I'm going to pass my natural crease line and take the shade all the way up, almost close to my brow bone, so that I can create a new crease for myself. I want my eyelid to look a little bit bigger so that when I open my eyes, you can see the eyeshadow. So after applying this shade, I'm going to go in with black to intensify the darkness of the outer eye, and I'm going to use that same brush to smudge out the lines before I come in with my bigger brush. Next, as I'm done blending this and bringing it inwards, I'm going to take an orangey shade and try to blend the line. It's very important. You might think it looks okay, but just try a little bit harder to blend, as you can see me do, because blending is never really done unless you cannot see any more lines. And I'll start dragging my brush toward the beginning of my brow so that the remaining eyeshadow in the brush will help shape my nose and also give my eye more shape, as you can see. Now I'm going to take my brush and pat down the base because you don't want it to be patchy as you apply your shimmer. Now use a piece of wet wipes to clean your brush. This will make your shimmery eyeshadows pop more and reduce fallout. So I'm going to be using that shade. It's more of a glittery pressed pigment, and I'm going to keep patting it on my eyelid, and basically my finger packs it on more for me. As you can see, it applied more smoothly and the shine was insane. So basically you can use your finger for this too. Afterwards, I'm going to take my dense blending brush with that orangey brown and try to diffuse the color. You don't want any harsh lines anywhere. Next, I'm going to take my Ezekiel liquid liner and I'm going to do that pointy inner corner liner, and then a very thin eyeliner on my lash line. And then I'm not going to extend it to be a wing. I'm just going to stop exactly where my lashes stop. Then I'll take this tiny brush with some black eyeshadow and smudge the end of the lashes, the end of the liner I meant to say, because I want a smoky eyeliner. And then I'm just going to blend my lower lash line with some dark brown eyeshadow, and that will be the end. Then I'm going to take some mascara and mascara my lashes and then apply the falsies on top. We all know that false lashes take the look from a 50 to 100, so you want to make sure that you pop them on and you press each corner to make sure that they are well fixed. Now I'm just going to do my lips, and I know a lot of people like to just think that lipstick is nothing. Many people can do their lipstick in 2 minutes, but me, it's an actual artwork. So I'm going to take my time to blend all the colors that I want to use. It's a simple nude lip, but I use 3 lipsticks to achieve it. And after blending, I'm still going to take a brush and try to diffuse the lines, because again, we don't want harsh lines, not on our foundation, not on our eyeshadow, not on our lipstick. So I'm going to pat this down, and if you feel like it's not matte enough, you can use eyeshadow or setting powder to set it, and that's it. So what do you think about this look, guys? Is this something you would like to try? Are you a matte and shimmer girl, or are you a matte on matte girl? I would like to see you guys in the comment section. Let's chat about makeup, and do remember to check out my previous videos because I've been dishing out mad content and giving you a lot of tips on makeup. So please check them out and remember to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.